I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loosening the string just enough to relieve tension. That prevents sudden slips. Once done, check the peghead, washer, mounting screw, and gear teeth for wear or debris. Use a flashlight and magnifier if needed. You'll remove the tuner screw, S, only after confirming which part is failing. Make sure to have a 1/4-inch screwdriver, small adjustable wrench, and soft cloth ready. This prevents scratching and keeps small parts organized. You now remove the mounting screw and carefully extract the tuner. Keep screws and bushings in order. Once exposed, clean gear teeth and worm with a toothbrush and isopropyl or mild solvent to remove grime. This restores smooth meshing. After drying, inspect for stripped teeth. If present, replace the washer or bushing with the correct size. Then lightly lubricate the worm with a small drop of specialized lubricant. Do not overapply because excess attracts dirt. You reinstall the tuner, aligning it flush with the headstock and tightening the mounting screw snugly. Over-tightening can bind gears. Once reassembled, restring and tuned to pitch, then check stability by bending and retuning. Monitor for a half-step drift over the next 24 hours. If slipping continues, either tighten the post bushing by 1/8 turn or replace the tuner entirely. Troubleshooting tip. If tuning slips only under string tension, inspect the nut slot and string winding. Improper winding can mimic peg failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.